online school as the main type of education. Recently, the quality of education has become an increasingly important question for many people, especially in the context of the COVID pandemic. In the regard, there is a need for online school. Online education provides students with the opportunity to receive a high quality education without the need to attend an education institution. An online school is an education system that combines the use of computers and internet for learning. The benefit of online learning is that it's available anytime and anywhere, while allowing students to communicate and interact at any time with a teacher and other students. Unlike regular schools, online schools attract and interaction of those who have a busy schedule and limited time resources, which makes it possible to get an education without having to change their usual lifestyle. In most cases, online schools provide services and huge quality, with the help of quality teacher and new generation applications. On the other hand, online schools are not as intensive as classical school, where students can get a lot of useful skills, such as communications and social skills development. It is important to keep in mind that people can learn a lot of things only where they communicate with other people. Thus, online education is an effective alternative for those who are looking for a faster and more economic acquisitions of knowledge. It assumes flexibility and accessibility for anyone regardless of located, and another additional attractive of such education is that it can be adapted of professional and personal growth. And perhaps by 2030 we will have a choice whether to stay in regular schools or get a full education through online technology. In any case, it all depends not only states but also on society as a whole. If the public actually uses online schools without fear of new technologies,